Greetings from the Sodium Attacker channel. Do you like to bake? Cookies, cakes, things for your family? Get the recipe out and look and say, oh, okay, I just won't put the salt in it. It'll be fun. If that recipe has got baking powder in it, 1 teaspoon, 520 milligrams of sodium. Gotta look at all of your ingredients. If it's got self-rising flour has 440 for half a cup. Hain Featherweight baking powder has 0 sodium. Order this from Healthy Heart Market or Amazon. Takes about a week and a half to get to you. The shelf life on this is not as long as I wanted it to be, so I called the company. They said put it in your freezer. It's been in my freezer a year and a half, still works fine. I want to bake something, and your recipe calls for baking powder. Order some of this before you get started. Works just like the regular that's got 520 milligrams of sodium for each teaspoon. If my tip started you thinking, then that's a good thing. Please leave a comment, maybe a like. If you've got a question, come back to the channel for more low sodium tips that are coming your way, several every week.